Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Dexteroid. This is finally the year 2019, and I've brought you some of the greatest apps to start your new year with, and these apps will also be very useful for you throughout the year. So, without any further ado, let's get started. The first app on our list is Rabbit. Rabbit is a really cool app that lets you watch anything online with anyone or with your friends. With Rabbit, you can discover, share, and watch content anywhere with your friends. You can set up private groups and invite your friends to watch together. You can find, watch, and share content from Netflix, Amazon, YouTube, and other content providers. You can chat with your friends or groups while watching any show in the same place. The next app is Blinkist. This app has a collection of non-fiction books and it distills the key insights of 2,500 plus best-selling non-fiction books into powerful 15 minutes reads or listens. It has a collection of varieties of books from different categories like personal growth, science, history, and much more. When you open a book, it gives you an option to read the book or listen to it. You can create your own personal audio playlist. You can learn hands-free while at the gym or in the car or while doing chores. You can also read and listen offline. Google Opinion Rewards. The app is created by Google survey team and it lets you answer quick surveys and earn Google Play credit. The surveys are pretty easy and short and it doesn't take much of your time. It will send you surveys around once a week or maybe more or less frequent. You will get a notification on your phone when a short and relevant survey is ready for you. And then you can receive up to $1 or less in play credit for completing it. Next episode. With the Next Episode app, you can easily track TV shows and the movies you watch. You can also discover new trending upcoming shows and movies. You can add your favorite series or movies and the next episode will track them for you. You can check what shows just aired and what is coming tomorrow. It gives you a calendar view filled with all the shows or just the ones you watch. You can discover all hot, upcoming, trending shows and movies. Discover shows by creators of the show you have already watched. It also gives you details and trailers for the shows and movies. It sends notification for the upcoming episode, released movies, or whenever a show you watch is cancelled or got a premiere date for a new season, and etc. It also gives you an option to track how much time you have spent watching your TV series. So if you are someone who watch lots of shows and movies, then this app is definitely for you. Digital Wellbeing. It's an app created by Google that helps you to take a break from your phone and internet. It gives you an insight of how frequently you use different apps, how many notifications you receive, and how often you check your phone. It lets you set limits for how much you use your apps. It reminds you to switch off at night, setting a schedule to fade your screen to grayscale, while Do Not Disturb silences notification for a good night's sleep. Next app is Lympo. Lympo is a fitness app that rewards you for exercising and leading a healthier life. All you need to do is just join a challenge, walk or run, and earn Limp tokens for every challenge you complete. You can then spend your tokens to shop for quality sporting goods and accessories by top global brands. Next app is Habitify. Habitify is a habit tracker app that helps you build new habits and maintain a routine that you have always planned. And it also comes with a clean, minimal, and intuitive design. It groups your habits by time of the day, morning, afternoon, and evening. It measures your progress with insightful charts and numbers. It is available on Android phones, tablets, and also on all Apple devices like iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, and Mac. Next app is Ghostery Privacy Browser. This browser offers a private, fast, and ad-free mobile browsing experience. It lets you see who is tracking your data on the website you visit and block or unblock these trackers individually or in bulk. It removes intrusive ads and clutter, resulting in a clear and ultimately faster browsing experience. The Ghost modes offer and further privacy protection by preventing the website you visit from appearing in your browser history. One more cool thing about this browser is that it lets you install Firefox add-ons in your browser. Next app is ProtonVPN. It's a free community-supported VPN app which lets you keep your IP address private, protect your internet connection on public Wi-Fi, and access geo-restricted content. ProtonVPN is the only free VPN that has no privacy-invading ads, no malware, no bandwidth limits, and does not secretly sell user data. ProtonVPN is a Swiss-based company, which means they are subject to Swiss law, which has some of the strongest privacy protection in the world. It has a free lifetime plan which gives you access to servers in 3 countries and can connect to one device. If you are looking for more features, then you can definitely buy other plans as well. Next app is Hold. Are you frustrated that you can't focus and you get distracted by all those notifications? Well, Hold is an app that rewards you for not using your phone. This app helps you to concentrate and stop your habit of constantly checking your phone. It gives you 10 points for every 20 minutes you are not using your phone. Then you can use those points to unlock great rewards and all kind of coupons. You can also add your friends and compete with them or compete with all the students of your university. Location SMS. This app lets you quickly locate your device by sending a "Where are you?" SMS, and your phone will instantly reply with the current GPS location of your phone. Even if your phone is in Do Not Disturb mode, you can send a text saying "Lost" to your phone and it will start ringing at its highest volume so you can find your phone easily. Next app is Magic Chat. Magic Chat is an SMS app with a modern delivery and read receipt feature that works just like any other popular web-based messaging apps like WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, etc. It lets you reply faster with an AI-based smart suggestion and emoji prediction. It lets you share any SMS, pictures, GIF, stickers, videos, audio, messages, your location, and even magic cards directly from the app. It is 100% secure with no tracking and no data stored on the server. And the best part is that the Magic Chat is completely free of charge without ads or subscription. Google Family Link. This app will let parents to keep a watch on what their kids are doing on their phones. It also gives you control over what your children can do on their phones. All you need to do is install Google Family Link for Parents app on your phone and Google Family Link for Children and Teens app on your children's phone. Then follow the instruction and proceed. You can tell by the low ratings given by kids on this app that this app is really effective. Once you install the app, you can view their activity, which will show you how much time they are spending on their favorite apps. You can manage their app that lets you approve or block apps your children want to download from the Google App Store. You can also manage in-app purchases and hide specific apps on their device. Family Link also shows you teacher-recommended apps on Android that you can directly add to their device. And it can also help you locate your kids as long as they are carrying their Android device, and there are many more features. Next app is PLOTAVERSE. It is a really amazing and a popular app to edit your photos. It can turn your still photos into an amazing animated video. You can simply use the mask tool to animate the area you want to animate and use the anchor tool to exclude the area you don't want to animate. Then simply preview the animation and you can also adjust the animation speed. There are many other editing options as well. You can see a lot of examples on the homepage of what you can create using this app. If you are having some trouble with this app or if you are looking for an alternative, then you should definitely try Stories app, which gives you the same power and functionality to edit your photos just like PLOTAVERSE. Next app is ZEPETO. ZEPETO is a really fun app that lets you create your own 3D characters. You can create a 3D version of yourself by making a pic or manually editing the whole character in detail and then style your character with various other customization options. With ZEPETO, you can create your sticker with your own character. You can discover new people, add friends, and you can also chat with people from the app itself. Next app is Three.do. Three.do is one of the fastest reminder app that lets you add a reminder in just few taps, faster than typing and faster than Google Assistant. To add a reminder, all you have to do is tap 3 hints: the who, the what, and the when, and that's it. Next app is SnoreLab. SnoreLab records, measures, and tracks your snoring and helps you discover effective ways to reduce it. You just have to run SnoreLab before you go to sleep to record your snoring and to measure your snore score. The app is built with advanced snore detection algorithms. It records sound samples and measures snoring intensity and compares snoring across nights. It lets you see the effectiveness of any snoring remedies that you are using, while also measuring the impact of factors such as drinking alcohol on your snoring. You can view your sleep statistics and much more. Next app is Fin.do. Fin.do app is a card-to-card system for instant money transfer in any currency, avoiding banks' high fees and exchange rates. Fin.do does not hold money to be transferred at any point in time. Just link your existing master debit card, credit card, or prepaid cards to Fin.do app and make domestic international money transfer in a few steps. The exchange rates and fees are fully transparent. You can send money between your own cards or other Fin.do users. Fin.do app is totally free, safe, and secure. Right now, it only supports MasterCards, but soon it will also support Visa card as well. Next app is Bouncer. Bouncer gives you the ability to grant permission to your apps temporarily. Bouncer protects you from apps that waste battery life and sell information to third parties. As soon as you exit the app, Bouncer will automatically remove the permission for you in an instant without having to worry about apps invading your privacy and wasting your battery. Next app is Rosetta Stone. It is an award-winning mobile app that teaches you to think in a new language by connecting what you are seeing with what you are saying. It makes you study grammar and vocabulary intuitively and learn to speak a new language. It teaches you how to sound and improve your pronunciation with true accent speech recognition technology. You can increase your conversation skills using Rosetta Stone's dynamic immersion method. You can learn even if you are offline by downloading lessons to your phone. Sticker Maker. Well, Sticker Maker lets you create your own sticker packs for WhatsApp. All you need to do is select the name for your pack and then select a tray icon and then select all the images. You can use memes or any photos from your phone. You can then individually crop the image with a shape of circle, oval, square, or just choose the entire image, and when you're done you can just publish the stickers and it will be installed on your WhatsApp. Liner. Liner is the first Samsung exclusive app. Liner is a highlighter pen for the internet. It lets you highlight sentences from the web and build your own personal reading list. You can leave a comment on the highlighted sentence and share highlighted pages instead of sharing the whole article. And all your highlights are saved across devices. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel because more awesome videos are coming soon. And guys, 2019 has just begun and I hope this year will be a really great year for all of you guys. So good luck with that. And that's it, guys. I will see you in the next one. Peace.